Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create widget stack in your Android phone. Now you may ask, what is widget stack? Here you can see some widgets in my home screen. If you create widget stack in your home screen, then you can set multiple widget on the same place. As example, here you can see weather widget, and if I swipe up, and that's it. Here you can see another widget. One is weather and another is optimize widget. Also here you can see two widget, one is Google Chrome search bar and another is Google search bar. So if you want to create widget stack like this, just touch and hold on the home screen and then tap on widgets. At first just add any kind of widget. If I select clock and set this alarm widget, just touch and hold it or select it and then tap on add, and you can see it's added successfully. Now create stack, just select it, touch and hold it and then click on create stack. From here you have to select same size widget. If I tap on device care and select the same size widget and then tap on add, and that's it. You can see widget stack has been created successfully. And that is how you can create widget stack in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.